Davion wants to buy 4 tickets to a basketball game. He sees that there is a discount for $25 off his entire purchase at the checkout. So the tickets would cost him $215 before taxes. What was the original price of each ticket? So again, let's find the number parts. We have 4 tickets. We have a $25 discount off. And we have the total cost equals $215. And so what we want to know is how much he paid for each ticket. And so again, breaking this down into 2 parts. We have part 1, which is we want to know the cost before the discount, And we can see that the parts are already in dollars and the cost before discounts will be in dollars. So we ask ourselves, what is the largest number? And the largest number actually is going to be the cost before the discount. And so the cost before the discount is going to equal an addition problem, the $215 after discount plus the $25 discount, which will equal $240. And now we can go to part 2. Now we want to pay attention here to this original form of the equation, which is an addition problem. And we'll see that we can keep this original form of the equation if we do the second step in solving an equation. So let's go to part 2. And so we say we want to find the original price of the tickets, price per ticket. Now we have to write the parts in dollars per ticket. And so we take the parts which we have, $215 and the $25, and we do $215 divided by 4, and we can see that it will equal $53.75. And we have $25 divided by 4, which will equal $6.25. And the largest of these numbers is going to be the price per ticket, because it's going to be the sum of these prices. So we say the price per ticket equals $53.75 plus $6.25, which will equal $60. Now we can see again, as before, we could have skipped to this part and just divided the cost before discount by 4. And so we did not necessarily have to divide each of the parts by 4 and add them together as we did in the original equation. We might have taken the sum here and divided it by 4. That's because all we did was make 2 division problems with the same divisor, and therefore those division problems could be combined just like you could combine fractions with the same denominator. And so we could have written this whole problem in one step by dividing each of these by 4 in this step and getting an answer 240 divided by 4. And we'll see that writing this as one step, part 1 instead of 2-part problem, we can do that if we understand that these 2 parts, when we convert them to the solution quantity by dividing by 4, creates 2 problems with common divisors or common denominators, and we can simply write out that those division problems the sum of those division problems as our answer. Okay, so there we have it, the answer. The price per ticket is $53.75 plus $6.25, representing the discount that was given on each ticket, and that gives us a total of 60, or 240 divided by 4. So it's important to understand following these steps when you have parts to develop an understanding of the math that you are doing.